Hi everyone, so today in this video I'm going to be opening up these. These are, let me actually get them open, the new Belfast Giants 2023-2024 trading cards from Blindside Cards. I have ordered 7 packs of these. It took a little while to get to me, because I think somewhere my order went missing, but they were awesome, customer service incredible, and they sent them out again, and yeah, so I'm just going to get them open. I'm hoping for, you can't really see it, but that's my Tyler Beskorowany, I think it was pre-season warm-up used Dallas Stars jersey. So I'm hoping for Tyler Beskorowany cards in here. But I've got 7 cards, so let's get them open. Open carefully here. Okay, I shall. Let's see who we've got. We have Jeff Baum. We have the checklist. Oh, we're starting off strong with a Kieran Long signed card. That's pretty cool. Here's a cool signature, I like that. We have Jacob Friend. And we have Jackson Whistle. You gotta love Jackson. Nice guy. Love Jackson. And Kel Beatty. And that is pack number 1. So yeah, probably the best hit is the Kieran Long autograph, which can't complain about an autograph. So, next up, we have got Charlie Curty. We have got Travis Brown. If it wants to focus, there it is. We have got a Sean Norris Wants to Watch. These cards are cool because they've got like the shiny metallic kind of print on them. That's a cool card, I like that. Then we have Cameron Pound. If it wants to focus. There you go. Mac Stewart. So you can see the reflection from my ring light, but I've just got home from work, so I've got to use a ring light, otherwise there would be no light in this room. And then the last one is Mark Cooper. Did I say Mark Cooper? There he is. So, yeah, the ones to watch, Sean Norris, definitely the best card in that one. Next. Okay, so we've got Henrik Eriksson. Ooh, we got an All-Stars. This is pretty cool. Of Mark Cooper. Again, that's got the kind of foil effect on it. Foil, that's the word I was looking for before. The foil effect, that's cool. I got another checklist. I got Jacob Friend again. I got Travis Brown again. And I got Andrew Dixon. That guy is never leaving the Belfast Giants. So I've got 3 goalies so far. 2 goalies so far, sorry. No Besko. Please give me a Besko. Okay, we have got Olivia Cooper. Sorry, my friend has got a son called Olivier, and I always wanting to call it that. That's that one. We've got Henrik Eriksson again. We've got Greg Prince. These cards are such good quality. Like, they're amazing. I love them. Andrew Dixon again. Cameron Pound again. And then we got a wants to watch Mason Alderson. Again with the shiny print. Next, we've got 3 packs left. I'm hoping for at least one Besko card. We have Adam Keefe. I remember Adam Keefe playing. That was always fun to watch that guy. We have a All-Stars Ben Lake. We have Mark Garside. Mark Cooper. Again. We have Daniel Tedesco. And, oh, this is a cool card. I like that. It's like an Adam Keefe kind of trophies card. That's really cool. I like that a lot. I'll get yourself a free wallpaper download. Oh, this is the poster series. I remember this from the Panthers one. Okay, last 2 packs. Come on, let's go. I can't get into this one. There we go. Okie dokie. So we got another checklist. We got Max Stewart. Can you tell what card's next? We got a smiling Tyler Beskorowany. And it's an all-star one, so it's a special one. It's the one with the foil. There he is. I'm happy as anything now. I got a Tyler Beskorowany card. We got Miles Gendron, I think. We got Josh Roach. And we got Sean Norris. And these cards are so cool. I love... They're just getting... Each set that they bring out, they just get better and better, I swear to God. Last pack. And I like the fact that the... all the packaging is like recyclable and stuff, so that's good. So we got another shiny Ben Lake. We got Mark Garside again. We got Sean Norris again. We got Travis Brown again. Oh, we got Johnny Curran, that's a new one. And our last card is Quinn Preston. Don't want to focus, but there we go. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Obviously, my Tyler Beskorowany card is my favourite by a million miles. I'm just happy I got my Besko card. So yeah, I might pick up more of these. I like them a lot. Yeah, I'll have a look at the checklist, see if there's any like particular ones I want in, see if anybody wants to trade. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all again in the next one. Adios.